This video will explain the contact screen on iPECS 1 for iOS. On the contact screen you will see two sections. You have My Contacts and Organisation. To view your full list on contacts, tap the contacts icon in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Under the My Contacts tab, you'll be able to see your favourite contacts, as well as any groups you have created. You can use the search bar to search for either individual contacts, extensions or within departments. In this case, we are going to search for Ed. Here you can also see the status of each of your colleagues. Most have a green icon showing that they are available. Tom, however, is listed in red, meaning that he is busy. From this screen you can also add your own personal contacts, and you can do so by tapping in the top right of the screen and then adding in the credentials of your contact. That contact will now be added to the not assigned group. The other section is Organisation. This is a list of all the colleagues that work in the same organisation as you. Once again, you can search for a colleague by searching by their name or department in the top search section. If you make a call to somebody whose status is set to busy, for example Tom, by tapping the call icon, you will see a status alert saying that he is busy, and the call will be ended automatically.